It's not every day that a classic pre-war condo on Central Park West comes on the market, but such a day is upon us. I'm Jeff Goodman from Brown Harris Stevens, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to apartment 59 at 418 Central Park West. This classic one-bedroom has high ceilings and beautiful hardwood floors throughout. The living area is spacious enough to accommodate a sizable living room setup as well as a table for eating. It has built-in bookcases that can be home to a library, used decoratively, or for both. There also is a built-in seating area in front of the living room windows, which face east, providing great morning light. The kitchen has just been renovated and has new appliances, including a microwave. The windowed bathroom has its original tile floor and its original large bathtub. The dressing area has twin closets. This property would make a great purchase for a first-time New York home, as well as an ideal pied-à-terre. It's a rarity for a New York building like this to be a condominium and not a co-op. It's not only pre-war, but more than 100 years old. Its lobby has European mosaic floors, a fireplace, and rich ornamentation. It has a full-time doorman, a live-in super, and its amenities include a common courtyard, private storage, bike storage, and laundry in the basement. Pets are welcome, and being a condo, the building is investor-friendly. 418 is right across the street from some of the most scenic parts of the park, including the Northwoods and the pool, which is not a swimming pool, but a naturally appearing body of water. Whole Foods and Trader Joe's are nearby. There is a farmer's market down the street on Fridays. And even though mom and pop shops still abound, there are well-known places to eat and drink, including Starbucks and Bear Burger. One of my favorite local businesses, Priceless Pet Services, is right around the corner. And you're close to public transportation. Well, thanks for joining us on this tour today. It's a great place to end it, right in the serene place, along with the ducks. If you'd like to see this classic condo property in this very beautiful place, I would love to show it to you. I'm Jeff Goodman from Brown Harris Stevens, and I'll see you at 418 Central Park West.